Welcome back. I'm the Focus Fox, and I'm here to help you with the next step of setting up your daily report card, creating a reward menu. After you add goals to the DRC, you will be prompted to create a reward menu. Before I tell you how to do that, let's talk about why using rewards is so important to making a DRC work. Rewarding students for meeting DRC goals helps them get excited about the DRC and keep up the motivation to meet goals over time. My Goal Pal allows users to add reward menus for both home and school. When parents provide home rewards for school behavior, it sends the message that parents and teachers are working together to support the student. Some kids, especially younger ones, may also benefit from more immediate reinforcement provided at school to help them stay on track meeting goals throughout the day. When setting up rewards, it is always important to involve the child to make sure that you select rewards that they are excited to earn. Rewards don't need to be costly. Things like screen time or a special activity with a parent can make great rewards. It's also important to decide how frequently to reward the DRC. Daily rewards are recommended because they help the child create a strong connection between the behavior of meeting DRC goals and the consequence of earning positive rewards at home and/or at school. Providing weekly rewards in addition to daily rewards can help children stay consistent with their behavior by giving them something extra to work towards. You might also consider even longer-term rewards, like a monthly reward to celebrate several successful weeks of the DRC. Longer-term rewards can be especially helpful for more expensive things that a child may want to work towards, like a new video game. Visit the link below for more examples of daily rewards, long-term rewards, and school-based rewards. Using My Goal Pal, parent users can set up home reward menus. Teacher and other professional users can set up school reward menus. It is very important that the reward list is set up as a menu. Providing kids with different options helps prevent them from getting bored with rewards. It is also important that all options on the reward menu are feasible to provide consistently when earned. Failing to provide rewards consistently is one of the most common pitfalls of the DRC, so caregivers and educators should carefully consider this when selecting rewards. It is just as important that you are willing to restrict rewards when they have not been earned. For example, if you want to read with your child every night regardless of how they did on their DRC goals, then reading with a parent would not be a good reward option. You may instead consider adding extra reading time or a different parent-child activity as a reward. When setting up a reward menu, you also may want to consider grouping rewards in a hierarchy so that children receive the most exciting rewards on the days they perform best on their DRC goals and can still earn less desirable rewards on days that they have a tougher time meeting goals. Using a leveled reward system can help a child stay motivated throughout the day, even when they get off to a rough start. It also communicates to the child that perfection is not expected and acknowledges the child's efforts towards meeting goals. To set up a reward menu using My Goal Pal, navigate to Reward Management on the toolbar at the top of the screen. Here, you will be able to create daily, weekly, and monthly reward menus. We recommend starting with daily rewards and adding longer-term rewards if needed to keep up interest in the DRC. The default setting for the reward menu includes 3 levels of rewards. Level 1 rewards are earned when 90 to 100% of daily goals are met, and should include rewards that are most desirable for the child to earn. Level 2 rewards are earned when 75 to 89% of goals are met, and Level 3 rewards are earned when 50 to 74% of goals are met. To customize the reward levels, click the Set Reward Levels button in the top right-hand corner of the screen. You can choose to use 1, 2, or 3 reward levels. You can also set the criterion for each reward level, or the level of success needed to earn reward at that level. The criterion for earning a daily reward is based on the overall percentage of goals met that day. Criterion for earning weekly rewards is based on how many days in the week the child earned a level 1 day, and criterion for earning monthly rewards is based on how many weeks in the month the child earned a level 1 week. We encourage users to create a reward menu that is feasible enough to keep up with consistently. Many parents and teachers find it easier to keep up with reward menus that use 1 or 2 levels. It is important that if you do use fewer levels, children are still rewarded for meeting their goals most of the time. For example, if you use one level, it is recommended that children earn rewards when about 75% of goals are met. If you use two levels, it is recommended that less desirable rewards are used when 60 to 80% of goals are met, and more desirable rewards are used when more than 80% of goals are met. Once you have selected the number of levels and the criterion for each level, click the Save Changes button on the bottom of the screen. Next, add rewards for each level by clicking the Add Reward button for that level. Type in the reward you would like to add and click the Save button. The reward will then appear on the menu. Parents and caregivers will be able to add home rewards, and teachers and other school staff can add school rewards. Both home and school rewards will appear on the same menu. To edit an existing reward, click the pencil icon to the right of the reward. To delete an existing reward, click the trash icon. Once you have added rewards for all levels, click the Save Reward menu on the top right-hand corner of the screen. If desired, you can repeat these steps to create weekly and monthly reward menus. You will likely need to revisit the reward menu over time to make sure that rewards are still reinforcing for the child, since children's interests tend to change frequently. Tune into video 7 for more troubleshooting tips. Tune in to the next video to learn how to score the student's DRC.